boys! This is your education time, and I'm so glad you came to join us. Hi guys! My name is Regina Walrab, and I'm the Director of Junior Joeys for Clowns of America International. And I'm here with my friends today, and we are going to introduce ourselves.
I'm Andrew, and I'm 13.
I'm Callie, and I'm 5.5. I'm Cole, and I'm 3.
I'm Emma, and I'm 12.
I'm Caleb, and I'm 8.
I'm Lee, and I'm 9.
And our Junior Joy program, it goes from ages 8 to 15. But I did not want to leave out this age. My children started clowning with me when they were 2. So he's really at a great fun age. A child this age can get into costume, they can be in a parade, they can be an assistant at a birthday party, or they can just have fun with their imagination and play at home. And at age 5, my kids were tying balloons already. They could make a dog or a sword. So let's not forget that the little ones can have just as much fun. So today we're looking at clowning as beginners. None of my friends have really done any clowning yet. So when you think about clowns, what do you think a clown should look like, or what do you think they do? Let's just kind of open it up for conversation. Raise your hand if you think you got an idea. Andrew?
Big shoes.
Big shoes, okay.
The socks.
They wear funny socks? Okay. Yeah, Emma?
Mismatched clothes.
Mismatched clothes, yeah.
Wings.
Wigs.
Red noses.
Red noses. Let's everybody put on your red nose. How do we feel when we wear a red nose?
Silly.
You feel really silly?
Yeah.
Let's just try for the audience out there, just doing a few faces. Can we do that? All right, everybody put on your happy face. Now lift up your eyebrows really high. Good, oh, look at that. Then look really sad. Ooh. Everybody look angry, look angry. All right, how about surprise? Very good. How about shock? Oh, how about afraid? Afraid. Is that what you do when you're afraid? Or maybe some of us do laugh when we're afraid, don't we? Nervous laugh. Okay. Let's see. Bored. Show me what bored looks like. Oh, you all know that one too well. Is that what bored looks like? Show me tired. All right, let's go ahead and stand up. Let's shake out a little bit, shake it out. All right, stretch up your hands. Put your hands out. Just turn it out like this, wiggle your fingers, shake out your hands. Roll your shoulders. All right, now let's do happy using our whole body. Are you ready? Happy. I'm happy. All right, now show sad. Now think like you're a cartoon. What would a cartoon look like when they're sad? Really exaggerated. Let's see what that looks like. Can you look? Oh, look at that, sad. That's a good pout. Look at this pout face. Okay. Now, surprise. Good, that's awesome. I love seeing what you guys are doing. Angry. Oh. Happy. Tired. Sad. Now if you shake your shoulders when you got a sad face, it looks like you're sobbing. And then if you shake your shoulders when you're laughing, it looks like you're really laughing. All right, everybody laugh out loud. Oh, good job. Well, now we're getting in our costume, our head to our toes, and we've already got our nose. So let's see, I'm gonna bring out the costumes and see what we can find, okay? Yeah.
I look like a circus director.
You do, you look like, what do they call that circus director?
I think it's like a lion tamer.
We call it a ringmaster.
Oh. A ringmaster.
I'm hearing some laughter.
Oh, so you look
Well,
funny.
here, let me see. I'm gonna let you go ahead and look at yourself. What do you think?
How do I want you to look?
You like that?
Let me look at myself. Okay. I feel good about
A wig and a hat, maybe?
Yeah.
You also have bow ties you could wear.
I don't wear a bow tie.
You don't want to wear a bow tie, okay? It's kind of, you've got a lot of things that are a little baggy, which is great for a clown. What we need to do is try to find suspenders. Yeah. These go in the back. All right. These actually, see these hooks right here? These open up like this. This goes on the pants like this, and it holds them, and you clip it like that. That's what they're called. I think they're backwards, but we're gonna probably be okay. So that's called a suspender. They hold your pants up. For the kids back home at home, when you're putting together a clown costume, you might just have stuff in your closet, or maybe you could find some mismatched clothes that are a little bigger brother or sister, or you could go to a Goodwill and find lots of stuff there. And with shoes, when my kids were little, they used to wear the Converse. These make great clown shoes. If the kids don't have clown shoes, that's okay too. You know, it's all about having fun and just getting to be silly and using our imagination. Do you like art? This is an artist hat. Do you want to try it? I love your hair. Your hair looks great. Look at that. You look like an artist character. What do you think? I love it. Okay.
Shoes like you.
And you got clown shoes. Perfect. Let's clean up our mess. Can everybody help me find the hats, and we can put the shoes back over there. All right. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about our magazine. I love the new Calliope. It comes out every 2 months, and inside the new Calliope, there are articles that are just for you, the Junior Joeys. What we've been trying to do is put in these criteria pages, and if you follow the criterias and check them off and have your parents or your Junior Joey leader write to me at COAI juniorjoeys@gmail.com, then you can earn a button. And the button will show that you have earned the criteria pin. This one is for balloon animals. And if you want to see a video, we have those too. You can go to our YouTube station. It is COAI Junior Joeys. We hope to see you on the other side of the computer screen or at a convention. So bye! Thanks for watching our show today. I'm so glad you came to play. And remember, you can create the world that you want to live by using your imagination. Bye! Say goodbye to all the kids. Bye!
See you next time.
You're doing selfie?
Yeah, we're gonna do a selfie. All right, here we go. Can everybody get their face in?
Lee, are you okay?
Yeah, I see Lee. Andrew needs to bend over. There we go. And let me see if I got everybody.
Right. 1, 2, 3, smile!